Well, very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. Hello, Pompano. How you doing out there? What a night. And the sun is going down. It's getting a little bit cooler, as we know, the beach breeze here in Pompano Beach. And what a great night to be here. And again, Pompano, Florida's warmest welcome. And as you look around, you always know somebody here, right? Somebody in the crowd, somebody, always a friend. And that's what Pompano Beach is about. My name is Jeff Martin. I'll be your master of ceremonies this evening. And if the face doesn't look familiar, you've probably heard me on the radio locally. As they say, I have a face for radio. And I'm also a proud resident of Pompano Beach, and it's a pleasure and a privilege and an honor to be here tonight for this exciting evening and be your master of ceremonies. We have a brief program tonight, followed by some nice surprises. So we're glad you're here tonight to celebrate with us, and here to give our official welcome, please welcome Pompano Beach Mayor Rex Harden. Rex?
Very good. Thank you, Jeff. Thank you so much. And as Jeff said, welcome. Welcome everybody to this event. I'll tell you what, this has been a long time coming, but it's gratifying to see everybody here to really enjoy this with us. Back in 2009, the City Commission took a bold step and they hired a firm to help us with our CRA. We had been floundering for a lot of years, but in 2009 we took a bold step and we hired a firm, and they came on board and they helped us develop our vision, implement our vision, and get things to where they are today. And I'd like to recognize the two principals here with us today, and that's Kim Briesmeister and Chris Brown from RMA. We really can't say enough good things about them. They have helped us, like I said, throughout the years now to get us where we are, and we've got so many good things happening in Pompano Beach. And it's the teamwork that led to this, but I tell you what, you've got to have the right players on the team, and we assembled the right players. But there was much planning, discussion, debate, and hard work by a lot of people. We've got a lot of staff here today, but I'll tell you, there's people who came before the staff here today. Our former city manager, Dennis Beach, he was integral to all this. A lot of players have helped in this get us to where we are today. Of course, the ones that are here today, we get all the credit, and hey, that's the way it works. But there's a lot of people that we were standing on their shoulders to get this stuff going. So construction really began in August of 2008 to provide these much-needed enhancements to this bridge. The team was comprised of Burkhart Construction, Curry Sowers Aguila Architects, and Kimley Horn. That's the team that really put this thing all together. Burkhart Construction, they are an industry leader specializing in urban revitalization, and they've been serving the municipal clients throughout Florida for over 40 years, so they have got deep background. I'd like to recognize a few folks that are here tonight, I believe. We've got Mark Kleise, Vice President. Mark, are you here? No, he's not here, so okay, sorry. That's Burkhart Construction. Brandon Rose from Burkhart, Project Manager. All right, yes. Jeff Sowers. Jeff, are you here? All right, there we go, yes. Okay, over there. The Principal Architect, we got Matt Firstzer, Structural Engineer. Matt's right there too. Thank you, Matt. David Logan, President of Murray Logan Construction. Back in the back over there. Great, thank you. Jose Armeo, Project Manager with CSA. Jose, you're there? All right, good to see you guys. Thank you. Of course, Burkhart didn't do it alone, as we pointed out, but I'd like to recognize a few other design folks that helped out with this. Of course, with Burkhart, we've got Vince Burkhart, of course, the principal, Bill Zamet, Ruben Almazan. We have Eid Industries, Don Reza, Albert Soto, Art Lairs. We got the Watauga Company, C.R. Dunn Electric, Green Effect Landscaping, David Wayne Hardscapes, Skyline Steel, and Barron Signs. I'm certain there's a lot of other people that were participating in this, but I'm sure I missed them, so please forgive me. But I'd be remiss if I didn't point out somebody who's really this wouldn't have happened without him. And that's our project manager, Horatio Danovich. He has led the charge on this project. He has worked hand in hand with Burkhart and CSA and everybody involved in this project. He has been here night and day. He has been working on all the obstacles, and believe me, there have been obstacles, the things that this team has had to overcome to make this thing a reality. But Horatio, hats off to you, buddy. I'll tell you what, you've done a tremendous job for our city and our residents. Thank you. course, as you walk around here, you're gonna have an opportunity, and most of us have already walked around here somewhat, but you're gonna have an opportunity. We decided to step it up a notch, and what's really setting this project off is the fantastic artwork that we've got here, and we've got a tremendous artist. We decided we wanted to really have something fantastic, and we've got tremendous artist, Mr. Dennis Friel, who did all the graphics on this thing. Yes, yes. It's, you know, we were talking earlier, and seriously, this is going to be a world highlight spot. People are going to look at this from all over the world and say, this is what we want our community to look like. And Dennis, a lot of that is all because of you, buddy. Thank you. Finally, I know it's hot out here, so finally I just want to give a big shout out to some folks that, you know, a lot of this stuff, it takes years to get here, and there's an awful lot of people who are involved in it, a lot of residents, a lot of screaming, shouting, hand-holding, stuff like that. And I want to give a big shout out to our CRA advisory team. I tell you, Jack Rogerson, he's the chair of the ECR advisory. Jack, you here? I know he's here somewhere, I'm not sure where he is. Oh, he's all the way in the back over there. Okay, he never likes the limelight, but I tell you, our CRA advisory folks, those are volunteers. They have given hundreds of hours of their volunteer time. They don't get a dime. All they get is, you know, occasionally come to things like this. But these folks, they pour their heart and soul into these projects for all of our city and all of our residents. So hats off to the CRA advisory team. Thank you. So there it is. I tell you what, there's been a lot of work, a lot of talk led up to this kind of stuff. But this is the newest landmark in Pompano Beach, and it is a landmark. It's a landmark for Pompano Beach. It's going to be a landmark for Broward County and the world. So now I'm going to turn it over to our very own District 1 City Commissioner, Andrea McGee. Give her a big round of applause. It's all yours.
Thank you. Thank you all for coming out here. It's so exciting to be able to launch this bridge with our amazing sails. So I want to get a little bit into the technicals that are going on. So the amazing theme with the sails, which we won awards on for our garage, continues the award-winning design of the Pier Garage that opened in 2016. The sails have computer-operated lights that create a dramatic display, the mast reaching 50 feet above the ground. Then under the bridge is the promenade that allows pedestrians to safely navigate, walk by, enjoy the artwork that's wrapping the bridge, and really activate this area. And then we also improved the bridge tender house to make things safer and better working. And it's a spectacular bridge that we are really excited to have to say to everyone who comes by here, welcome to Pompano Beach. So thank you all for coming out here, and let's move along with the christening.
Thank you, Andrea. And we've got a christening here going on, and come right on up, and we invite you to take part. Okay, here we go. Hang on. We're going to count down. We're going to count down from 5, and this is environmentally friendly too, the way this is done. And are we ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here